Hey, we are simplifying rational expressions. We have one here. It's just one fraction. The numerator is 2p plus 3. The denominator is 2p squared plus 7p plus 6. So since it's just one fraction, we're going to see if we can factor anything out and cancel like terms out of the top or bottom. So let's see here. The top is 2p plus 3. That has no common factors, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Now the bottom is a quadratic expression, so I'm going to try and factor it. So I'm going to try the AC method that I use sometimes. Should learn that when we did factoring. So I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply to give me A times C, which will be 12. My A is 2. My C is 6. And add up to be 7, my B. My B is 7. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 12, but add up to be 7. I think those are 3 and 4. So I create the two factors with the leading A coefficient, 2p plus 3 times 2p plus 4. So I drop the two numbers I found in. But remember this method, if you have a coefficient other than 1 in front of the p squared, it gives you too much. So we'll look to see if there's anything we can pull out. We can't pull anything out of the 2p plus 3, but the 2p plus 4 we can pull a 2 out, and that'll leave me p plus 2 over there. And remember, we're going to mark out that 2 that we pull out. So this thing is factored completely, so the denominator will look like 2p plus 3 times p plus 2. And in that case, we did find a common factor. There's a 2p plus 3 up top and a 2p plus 3 in the denominator, so those cancel out. So be careful. That reduces to be a 1 that we'll write up top, 1 over p plus 2. So don't just write it as p plus 2 because this thing was divided by p plus 2, so you can't just put it in the top just because you don't see anything there when you reduce, because you're reducing it down to 1. Thank you.